Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a life where you are in complete control, not of the world around you, but of your own emotions, your finances, your relationships, and your destiny. Tony Robbins, in his groundbreaking book, Awaken the Giant Within, shows us that this life is not just a dream. It is entirely possible. The key is mastering your decisions. Every choice you make carries the power to shape your reality. And when you learn to make conscious, deliberate decisions, you take the wheel of your life. Your emotions are not random. They are the driving force behind every action you take. By understanding and mastering them, you no longer react to life. You respond with clarity, purpose, and strength. The beliefs you hold act as either the chains that limit you or the wings that propel you forward. Identify the beliefs that hold you back, challenge them, replace them with empowering truths that align with the life you desire. Your values determine what matters most to you. When you consciously choose your values, you align your actions with your priorities, and your decisions become a reflection of who you truly are. No longer will life simply happen to you. By taking full responsibility for your choices, you step into the driver's seat of your destiny, creating momentum and opening doors you had never imagined possible. Decision making is a skill, one that can be honed. Perfect. The more perfected, the more decisive you become, the more momentum you create, and the more powerful your life becomes. Past experiences may have conditioned you, but you have the ability to rewire your mind, break negative patterns, and choose behaviors that lead to success and fulfillment. Set clear goals. Be specific. Attach emotion to your outcomes. Goals are not mere wishes. They are compasses that guide your every action. Robbins teaches Neuro-Associative Conditioning, a method to train your brain to link pleasure with empowering habits and pain with destructive ones. In doing so, you can break free from self-sabotage and step into a new reality. Learn from mentors and role models, observe their strategies, adopt their mindsets, and accelerate your own growth. Take control of your finances, make informed decisions, invest wisely. Understand that financial empowerment is not about luck. It is about conscious, consistent choices. Cultivate strong relationships, practice empathy, communication, and emotional intelligence. Build connections that inspire and sustain you. Take care of your body and mind. Physical energy and mental clarity fuel the pursuit of your dreams. Be mindful of your language. What you say to yourself and others shapes your reality. Confront your fears, reframe challenges, transform anxiety into motivation and hesitation into action. Change is not temporary. It is lasting when your emotions, beliefs, values, and actions all move toward a clearly defined purpose. Remember, every decision has a ripple effect. Small, consistent actions compound over time.